Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Mer Cat from Gabby's Dollhouse. So let's get started. To draw this cute Mer Cat, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and we're going to go up with these big cat eyes. So just draw a big curve and then about right here I'll start to come down. But as I come down, this side is going to be higher because we want the eyes at a slant. And then from there, this is about right there. Let's go ahead and just connect it back at the bottom. And right back there. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just drag this point across, say about this wide. And let's do the same thing. So I'm just going to drag this point across so that I'm approximately the same height on the other eye. Since I'm drawing pretty big, it just helps me to see where I'm going. So let's see about right there, and then once again, connect at the bottom. There. Okay, so now that I have this in, I'm going to come inside, maybe towards this edge a little bit more. I'm going to draw a big circle inside here. So maybe it doesn't touch the bottom. It'll definitely touch the top. And since they're big enough, you know what? Let's just go ahead and make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to put in 2 small circles for highlights. That way we can put some color in her eye. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. I don't think I've ever done something like this before, where I put the draw so cute eyes inside this eye shape, so we'll see how it looks. If it doesn't look good, then I'll just go ahead and just put the 2 highlights. We'll see, but hopefully it'll work. Okay, there. So then same thing over here. You have it right here. There, same thing. Okay, there. So now that we have that in, let's come to the sides and we're going to add some lashes about right here. So we're going to draw in 3 curves, 2 and 3. Same thing here, 1, 2 and 3. And I'm just going to go above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then let's come back into the center area. So let's say about right here. We're going to draw a little heart nose. There. And then let's bring that down to a straight line, and then we're going to curve up on both sides. And just kind of cap it off. And you can leave it like this, or if you want, you can open up the mouth. So if you want to do that, just add a curve right here. And maybe another curve right here for a tongue. There. And you know what? I'm going to quickly just make this top line here a little bit thicker, just to anchor the eyes a little bit better. There. Okay, so then from there we need to draw this big ovalish mochi shape head. So I'm going to, let's see here, let's just come to this corner of the eye and come out a little bit. So let's say about right here. And same thing on the other side, give myself a point. And I'm just going to go ahead and just start drawing this big curve. So like that, and then I'm going to find my center and just kind of imagine, let's see how low I want her head face to go. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself another point so I know where I'm going. And let's go ahead and just draw this really big wide curve. So definitely turn your body or the paper if you need to. So just kind of flatten it out towards the bottom and go right back up. There. And then we're going to go up now, right about here. So go around the eye. It's a little bit more. So to about right there, and I'll stop and I'm going to just come across, let's say about right here, and draw the other side. Just because it's easier for my hand to come down on this side. And then from there, fix the shape here. Then from there, I'm going to skip a little bit of space. Just kind of imagining, if you're using a pencil, definitely draw this curve in. But I'm going to skip and say about right here in the center. Just kind of, so about right here. This being my center point, the top point. I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve to finish this side. So just remember it's a little bit narrower at the top, so we're going to slant down right here. About right there. Okay, so in this space, the reason I'm skipping is because I need to draw a star in here. So I'm going to start, well, let's just say about right here. In this space, just go for it. So I'm just going to draw 5 points of this star and rounding off the tip, add a slant. And bring it in, so then about right here. And same thing here. And finish it off. There. Okay, so then whatever space I have left, I'm just going to go ahead and finish the head. So hopefully you're using a pencil, then you can just draw the head shape first and then stick in that star. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the ears. So about right here, I'm going to go up, round off the tip, bring it down, and then draw the inside. And same thing on the other side. So about, come down, go across, about right here. And bring this across so you know approximately where the other ear is. We just want approximate. So about right here, round off the tip, and bring it down. And once again, the inside. There. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of, the same side seems a little too slanted. I'm going to round it off more. And I always have to look back at my camera when I'm drawing these big shapes. Okay, so then from there we need to draw this little patch up here for to decorate her top head of her head. So let's say about right here. You know what, let's go to the center. I think that'd be a little bit easier. Right about the center, right here, I'm going to draw the bottom of a U right here in the center. Then from there, let's just go up and tuck it in. And same thing here. You just go around the star and tuck it in. And then you can come in here really quickly, just put in some curves. Just to make it look like some scales. And then now that we've done that, let's go ahead and draw the body. So I am going to say about right here, I'm just going to come down, skip a little bit of space, give myself a point, same thing on the other side. Just center my body, about right there, I'll give myself 2 points. From there, I'm just going to come right here on this side and just draw a slight curve. And same thing here. Then we're going to find the center and say about right here. Just connect it with a curve on both sides for her top. Then let's, depending on how you want your body, you can curve it out, you can just make it straight, but today I'm just gonna kind of swish it to the side a little bit. So I'll bring this side down, just a soft curve, and this side is going to sweep out. So let's go down, nice and smooth curve, to say about right here. And this part come down as far as you need to create this small little tail right here. Then we need to draw tail right here. So we're going to draw kind of like 2 leaves. Round it off the tip and bring it in towards the center, and same thing here. There. Okay, so then from there we need to draw the hand. So we're going to come right about here, and I'm just going to curve down, widen up the bottom part, and come in. So same thing here. Just make the arms nice and simple. Same thing here. Try to make it about the same, this length. And in there. And then for some details, just come right here, draw the paws, 3 circles, and another circle. So 3 smaller ones, and then a bigger one in the center. There. And then once again, same thing. You can come right here and draw some scales. Should we put more? I'm tempted to put more, but then maybe I should just leave it. I always overdo it, right? So then from there, I do need to add a heart. So, you know what? Where should I put this heart? Okay, let's put it right here. Just a small little one. To make this my Draw So Cute Mer Cat from Gabby's Dollhouse. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.